What's going on, everyone? This is Fahim Faisal tuning in my private group to share some golden nuggets in this beautiful evening here. Well, I was supposed to come live yesterday, but I didn't do that. That's why I'm here today. And in today's session, I'm going to share with you something very valuable. You simply just can't afford to miss this live because it's going to be very valuable. Okay, in this live video, in today's training, I'm going to share with you something very important, which is audience building. Okay, if you are consistently failing to if you are failing to generate consistent sales organically, this video is going to be something you simply just can't miss, because I'm going to share with you from my own life experience as an organic marketer for 2 years, and it's going to be very valuable. Okay, so I suggest you watch the full video to really get all the golden nuggets that I'm about to drop in my community. Okay, first things first, if you are watching live right now, give me a hashtag live, and if you're watching the replay, give me hashtag replay. Okay, so I was thinking about covering this topic, audience building, for a few days now, and I was preparing a few things for you guys. So yeah, it's going to be very valuable. Okay, don't miss it. So first thing, I want to share with you my experience about audience building, the mistake that I made, which costed me a lot of money. Okay, actually, if I share from the beginning my journey, as an organic marketer, actually I started my organic journey in 2019. It was probably September or October, I'm not sure, but it was mid of 2019. Okay, so the very first time I decided to create a full-time online marketing, affiliate marketing career was in 2017. Most of you probably know this, and if you don't know this, this is for you. So it was in 2000, not 17, maybe it was beginning of 2018, when I decided to become an affiliate marketer and I decided to become a blogger. Okay, so I did that for 1.5 years. Unfortunately, I didn't become successful as a blogger because I didn't have enough traffic. There was a lots and lots of work involved. As a blogger, you know that probably, lots of things. So when my blog died for lack of its oxygen, which is traffic, I decided to move to organic marketing in 2019. Okay, I really wish that I have taken the mastermind course that I'm right now I'm in back in time. If I did that, it would save me years of work and money. But I didn't do that. Most of us, we like to get things for free, and I wanted to learn things for free also, and which was a mistake, which was a terrible mistake. If you are really serious about building a long term career, a long lasting online business, I really suggest you guys to invest in a good mastermind program, invest in a good training program, because it will save you years of work and time. Okay, so in 2019, when I started my organic marketing journey, I did not invest in a good training program. Okay, so I was learning from everybody. I was learning from whoever would give me a suggestion. Okay, so I did that and I learned everything. That's why it took me a long time. Okay, 2019, 20, and it's 21. It's almost like 2 years. Okay, I'm doing organic marketing. So yeah, I really wish that I joined a mastermind program when I started. Okay, so that was a bit of my um, intro and my story, how I became organic marketer. So now I'm going to share with you about the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, what are the base of affiliate marketing? Actually, affiliate marketing is all about audience building. Okay, whether you do affiliate marketing on YouTube or Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, doesn't matter. It's all about audience building. Okay, so for YouTube, if you want to like do affiliate marketing, and if you have like 10 subscribers, most definitely you will not make any money because you're not going to sell out of that 10 subscribers. And imagine you have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. You can easily make a sale, right? Because when you publish a video, that's going to reach a lot of peoples. Okay, and you can generate sales out of those peoples. So affiliate marketing is all about audience building. Whether you build it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, doesn't matter. It's all about audience building. So it's very important that we talk often about audience building. Okay, so, so there are quite a few platforms that you can use for audience building. So I'm going to talk about them briefly. I will not go in details, so I will talk about them briefly. For example, like pros and cons of the product of the platform, sorry. Okay, so let's talk about Facebook because I love Facebook organic marketing. So let's talk about Facebook first. So I really recommend Facebook organic marketing if you are new to this, because it's risk free. You don't have to invest any money here, and it's very easy to build your audience on Facebook, because you will connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. You will be adding people on a regular basis, and they will be adding you. So it's easy if you want to build your audience on Facebook other than YouTube or Instagram. Okay, it's Facebook is pretty much easy. Okay, and there are some pros and cons in YouTube also. For example, YouTube is a search engine, which is a good side of doing marketing on YouTube. So YouTube is a search engine. If you upload your content today, maybe after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, if someone watched that video and use your affiliate link and buy, you are going to make money. Okay, so that is a good side about YouTube marketing. And there is a downside about YouTube also, which is if you are new to like online marketing or online business, most likely it's not going to be easy for you to create a professional video. Okay, because we all are newbies when we are newbies. Okay, so we want to continuously develop our skills over time. Okay, so at the beginning, it's going to be hard for you to create a professional, a good video. Okay, this is one of the downside of YouTube marketing. So every platform has its own, pros and cons, and I'm going to dive deep into this because it's going to be very long. The video is going to be very long. That's why I will not go into this in deep. Okay, so it doesn't matter which platform you choose. YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. In any platform, you can build your audience and you can monetize them and you can generate sales out of them. Okay, that is the main core idea about affiliate marketing. So if you are new by, my suggestion is to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, because it's easy to build your audience. Okay, and I talked about different platforms. Now let's talk about where you will connect with your audience. Okay, it's very important that I talk about it. So now we have a basic understanding about affiliate marketing and audience building. And oh, by the way, before I dive into the topic where you will connect with your customers or how you will build, I would like to share with you why audience building is important. Audience building is very important. Doesn't matter which platform you choose. Okay, because if you're really serious about your online business, affiliate marketing business, you have to think in the long run, and that's where audience building is important. But most people's, including me, when I started, for lack of knowledge, I built audience the wrong way. Okay, I added the wrong peoples. Okay, I was working too, but because of this mistake that I added wrong peoples, I didn't see results for a long time because the peoples I added in my friend list, they weren't the right peoples. Okay, so there are four places from where you can connect with your audience and uh, you can connect with them. Okay, the four places are, first of all, free groups. Okay, so if you are in the affiliate marketing niche just like me, you can visit groups like ClickFunnels Avengers, ClickFunnels official groups. These are free groups, but they maintain their standards. Okay, they have thousands and thousands of members there. There are no shortage of members there. Okay, you can go and connect with people in those groups, and you can, connect with your audience from that group. Okay, like ClickFunnels Avengers group, ClickFunnels official group, Power to Pivot group, Mastermind.com group. You can visit these free groups and you can connect with your audience there. And the second place I would recommend is paid groups. Okay, paid groups are really really amazing because you will not find any time wasters, tire kickers peoples there, because all of them already purchased something. Doesn't matter how low or big the amount is. For example, mm Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough Group, for example, Legendary Marketing Group, who they have thousands and thousands of members there. So all of those peoples, they purchased Legendary Marketer. The minimum level for Legendary Marketer is $7. So they have their way to purchase online. These peoples are not junk peoples. They already invested previously, so you will get qualified peoples there who are ready to buy. They have everything ready. Okay, so you can go and connect with these peoples in the paid groups. And the third place is Guru fan page. For example, Russell Brunson fan page. For example, Dean Graziosi fan page. In those fan page, you will see comments in every post and videos. You can connect with people, send friend request them. Okay, send them friend requests from there. And the fourth place is Guru ads. Okay, Russell Brunson, Steven Larson, these peoples, they launch ads all the time. Okay, so when you see a launch from a guru of your niche or in your industry, you can send people friend requests in the comments. Okay, those people who comment in those ads, they are your target customers. Okay, because you and they in the same industry, in the same niche. Okay, you can send friend request there. Okay, so these are the four places from where you can connect with your prospect customers and build a relationship with them there. Okay, first one is free groups, second one is paid groups, guru fan page and guru ads. These are the four places from where you can connect with your audience. Okay, so now I want to share with you some tips about building your audience. Okay, so right now the knowledge I'm going to share with you is very important because I learned it from the mastermind training I joined recently. My mentor, he shares that the most important reasons why people do not succeed in this organic marketing game is that they're lazy. Okay, they do not send friend requests regularly. Okay, sometimes when they feel like adding peoples, they do. When they don't feel like adding peoples, they don't. Okay, this is one of the most remarkable reasons why people do not succeed in the organic marketing game. Okay, so let me ask you, how many friend requests do you send on a daily basis? Okay, answer that. How many friend requests do you send on a daily basis? 10 people's, 20 people's? Or are you the kind of person who send friend requests today, like two or three friend requests, and then 5 days, 10 days, you do not send any friend request at all? So if you do this, how will you build your audience? Okay, so my mentor recommends that you have to send like 30 to 50 friend requests every single day. Okay, I repeat, every single day, if you really want to be successful in this organic marketing game. Okay, if you haven't done that yet, do this from today. Add 30 to 50 peoples every single day. This is the volume game, guys. If you do this, you will be successful, I guarantee you this. Okay, well, do not just send friend requests to anyone, like fake IDs, crappy peoples. No, you have to visit the profile. Okay, this is why most people do not do this, like continuously send 30 to 50 people's friend request every single day. They do not, because there's a lot of works involved in this. Okay, so I want to share with you some tips before sending any friend request or accepting any friend request. Okay, so the first tip is you have to visit the profile. Before sending friend request to anyone, you have to visit the profile and try to understand if this person could be your potential customer, your ideal audience or not. Okay, if that person is not, simply don't send friend request. Okay, so that is the first thing. The second thing is, try first try to understand if this is a fake ID or not. Okay, so you will easily know when you visit a profile, when you visit the post and look at the profile, cover photo and bio and all that things. You will clearly understand if this person is a real ID or a fake ID. You see, it's not about adding thousands of people. No, if you have 5,000 peoples and you have like 5 to 10 engagements in your post, and you make like $0 monthly, there's no point. Okay, believe me, I have seen a lot of peoples like that. Okay, they have 4,000 peoples in their friend list, 5,000 peoples in their friend list, but they're not making any money. Okay, why? That is because they add just everyone without knowing their ideal customers. Okay, so you have to visit the profile and you have to add your ideal prospects, not just everyone. Okay, and another tip that I have for you is refresh your friend list. Okay, uh, I joined Google Chrome extension, which is um, multiple tools for Facebook from 𝐒𝐿𝐿, and it's recommended. I joined this extension yesterday, and guys, I was really amazed because I sent friend request in 2000, the beginning of 2020, or at the end of 2019. Those friend requests are still hanging in there. Okay, so you have to like you have to refresh your friend list like 15 days later or 30 days later. Every 15 days to 30 days, delete those outgoing requests that you made and who didn't accept you, and delete those inactive souls who are in your friend list, who joined your friend list but never ever connected with you, never ever engaged with your post, never gave any comment, never gave any message, nothing. They just, I found a lot of peoples after joining the extension. Okay, after buying it. So you have to do this, guys, because I want to share with you again, the whole point here is not about like adding peoples. It's about business. If you treat it as a business, you will get results as a business. Okay, so treat it as a business. Refresh your friend list 15 days or 30 days, every 15 to 30 days. Okay, remove inactive friends, continuously add new friends, and do this. And if you do this, I believe you will get results pretty fast. Okay, so it was a long life, and I really hope that you found value in this post, and I really in this video, and I really believe you learned something valuable. If you did, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions about audience building, let me know in the comments also. Okay, thank you so much for being with me so far. Have a great day ahead. Talk to you again later.